continue.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
Once upon a time, there was a turtle and frog and an elephant. They were all friends with their other friends. One day they decided, we want to go in a cave. None of us are scared of bears, so let's go in a cave with a bear. And then their other friends pop out, and the panda said, well, I heard that our other three friends are going to see a bear in a cave. I'm going to. Wait, I want to come too, but I'm a little scared because this bear eats bunnies. Well, I'll protect you on the way. Let's go! We're at the spooky cave. Woo! The bear! Wait! There's the bear! Said the bunny. And I'm going to smash it with my shell. Ooh. No, he's dead. Okay. No, he's dead. He's dead. No, I see him blinking. I see his eyes opening and he's blinking. Let me yap him. Back. I just smashed. I'm going back to the. Now let's go back out of the cave. See ya. Bye. No. Oh, yeah. Still a show. Oh, I didn't know. Well, we're going to an island too. Me too. Don't wait for us. All right, we're here. Okay, but no, we need to still be where the audience can see us. And the turtle was swimming and carrying, and
Jake.
the frog was swimming, and
Jake,
the
but
turtle
listen.
was swimming.
Jake, listen to Lara. You have to be where the audience can see you. She's right. So you have to pick up the puppets and do what you're doing, but you have to pick them up.
No, actually, they're just swimming in the river. That's why you don't.
Because they practiced.
No, well, yeah, I mean, I guess you meant the quality of
When
the
we get to that bush,
video.
after when we pass it, it's the island. Where's the island? No, pick it up so the audience can see us.
Yeah, Jake, your height, we can't see what you're doing. Because you got to make it so we can see it.
Come on, we can't wait this long. Otherwise, the show will end in 1 minute. All right, we're here. This is such a beautiful. Help us! Oh, it's helping us too. Pretend they were getting trapped in a box.
Is that,
We're trapped in a box.
is that the end?
The end.
All right. Clap. Yay! Woo! Take a bow. Come take a bow. Actors, performers. Jake.
3 shows.
But you have to come take a bow.
3
Come here.
shows.
3 shows. Oh, what a beautiful curtsy from this actor. Jake, you want to do a bow?
All right.
This is-